Vande Mataram students. We show in the previous section that there may be numbers on the number line are not rationals. In this section, we are going to investigate this number so far. All the numbers you have come across are the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q cannot be 0. So you may ask, are there numbers which are not this form? These are indeed such numbers, and that numbers are irrational numbers. लास्ट में हमने सीखा था कि जिस नंबर को हम P by Q फॉर्म में कर सकते हैं प्रेजेंट, उसको हम रेशनल नंबर्स कहते हैं। पर ऐसे भी नंबर है जिसको हम P by Q फॉर्म में लिख नहीं सकते। That's are many infinitive numbers. A numbers that's called irrational numbers. A numbers S is called irrational if it cannot be written in the form of P by Q. In the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integer and Q cannot be 0. ऐसे नंबर जिस नंबर को हम P by Q फॉर्म में लिख नहीं सकते, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? irrational number. A number is called irrational if it cannot be written in the P by Q form. Okay? Yes. And one kind of mathematician named Pythagoras. The Pythagoras in Greece, followers of the famous mathematician and philosophers Pythagoras, were the first to discover the numbers which are not rational. ये जो irrational number है उसका डिस्कवर किसने किया था? पाइथागोरस ने, around 400 BC. These numbers are called irrational number because they cannot be written in the form of a ratio or integers. There are many myths surrounding the discovery of irrational numbers by the Pythagoreans. Hippocrates of Croton in the maths, Hipparchus of an unfortunate and either for discovering that root 2 is irrational, for disclosing the secret about root 2. Two people outlined the secret, Pythagoras secret. And you already know that there are infinitely many rationals. It turns out are infinitely many irrational numbers. जिस तरह से rational numbers बहुत सारे हैं, उस तरह से irrational number भी बहुत सारे हैं। जैसे कि √2, √3, √15, pi, इस तरह से unlimited infinitively क्या है? irrational number है। Some of the irrational number listed about the in front of you. For example, have already comes across many of the square roots listed above. Square roots like this √2, √3, √12, like this lots of numbers you can get irrational numbers. And now example number 3 given in your textbook. Let's see the how we can locate some of the rational numbers on the number line. लास्ट में हमने जो रेशनल नंबर थे उसको नंबर लाइन पे कैसे लोकेट करते हैं वो 8th स्टैंडर्ड में सीखा था। एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट लोकेटिंग इरेशनल नंबर्स ऑन नंबर लाइन। सपोज हियर लोकेट √2 ऑन द नंबर लाइंस। हमें √2 को अगर नंबर लाइन पे रिप्रेजेंट करना है तो कैसे करेंगे? तो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द नंबर लाइन। सबसे पहले आपको एक नंबर लाइन बनानी पड़ेगी। एंड सपोज देयर इज ओरिजिन पॉइंट O, that means 0. That means 0. After that, on number line 1, 2, 3, like that, lots of points. It is easy to see how the Greeks might have discovered √2. Consider a square OABC. कोई एक स्क्वायर कंसीडर करो। सपोज करो एक स्क्वायर है ऐसे OABC, like that. एक स्क्वायर है and take 1 and 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. According to Pythagoras, this is √2. According to Pythagoras, this is right angle and OB is a hypotenuse. So you know that the square OB square is equal to, like that, OB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. So what happened? OB square. So OA is equal to 1 square and OB is equal to also 1 square. So we have 1 plus 1 to 2. OB square, so OB is equal to √2. ये जो लाइन हमें मिलेगी वो कितने मिलेगी √2 लाइक दैट फर्स्ट 0 and 1 centimeters length you locate after that by using scale you have to make a 1 centimeters line here its measure also 1 centimeter and join them O with O so you have to join it and give them name suppose this is A point and this is B point now what happened this is 1 and this is 1 so and it is right angle so according to Pythagoras it should be √2 and now help of compass you have to draw arc which arc cuts the number line in point P which cuts like that your compass is like that and you have to make arc like that and it cuts like that it cuts and give the name P and it should be OP it should be OP is your answer and it is your √2 it is your √2 P point is your √2 we have just seen that OB is √2 using a compass with center O and radius OB draw an arc intersecting the numbers line and the point P then P corresponds to √2 and on the number line like that. Another example also given here locate √3 another example is also given here in your textbook and that is locate √3 how can you make it like that example number 4 locate √3 on number line so first you have to make number line once again like that take one kind of point O and make 1 centimeters line like that 1 clear and first you have to repeat it first one step you have to first make 1 centimeters line like that and make √3 so once again you have to make another 1 centimeters line and remind that it should be right angle so like that by the use of scale you can make 1 centimeters another line help of scale like that 1 centimeter and join it so look here this A B and C like that OB is a √2 OB is a √2 so what happened according to Pythagoras system OC square is equal to √2 square plus 1 square so what happened √2 square that means 2 plus 1 so OC square is equal to 3 so OC is equal to √3 so we get here the length of OC is equal to √3 after that you can make arc take OC is a radius take OC as a radius and O is a center so what happened you have to just put your compass and make arc which are intersect number line like that which are intersect number line and give the points name Q so OQ is your measurement √3 like that √3 so Q point is √3 Pythagoras theorem we are by using Pythagoras theorem we are draw an arc which intersect the numbers line at Q then Q corresponded with √3 like that in the same way you can locate root n for any positive integers after under root at -1 तो इस तरह से आप √3 आगे भी एक लाइन बना के जाओ उस तरह से √4 √5 कुछ भी आप लोकेट कर सकते हो now we are going to start our exercise number 1.2 by the help of this theory we can solve it and for the maths you have to do more practice to solve it and many other examples given in your textbook or practice work. So now exercise 1.2. 1.2 example number 1. Example number 1, true and false. State whether the following statements are true or false. True or false. First statement is here for you. Every irrational number is a real number. Every irrational number is a real number. Is a real number. जितने भी irrational नंबर है वो सारे क्या irrational नंबर है कि नहीं है? तो that is true. That is true. Since collection of real numbers is made up of rational numbers and irrational number, so it can be, we can say that it is true. It is true. It is true. Second one is here. Every point on the number line is of the form root m, where m is natural number. No. So it is no. So second question I have to write here like that. Every point on the number line. On the number line पे जो भी कोई पॉइंट है वो सब number line is of the form of root m. नंबर लाइन पे जितने भी सारे पॉइंट हैं वो इस तरह से हम रूट m में लिख सकते हैं. तो m क्या है वहां? where m is a natural number. M is a natural number. So it is right or wrong? So it is right or wrong. ये right है कि wrong है? क्या है इसमें? Every point, हर एक नंबर लाइन का जो पॉइंट है वो क्या है? उसमें लिख सकते हैं. तो ये गलत है. क्या है ये? गलत है. False. So no negative numbers can be written in the square root of any natural numbers. क्योंकि जो हम जानते हैं कि रूट इसका भी स्क्वायर करें तो 4 होता है और प्लस 2 का स्क्वायर करें तो भी 4 होता है. तो इसलिए कहते हैं कि सारे नेचुरल नंबर है तो ये तो नेचुरल नंबर हो जाएगा, स्क्वायर रूट करेंगे तो 2, लेकिन इसका -2 है. So it is false. So its sentence is false. So its sentence is false. We can write here answer false. That's an example. And third question. Now we are going to according third question. Third sentence is here also given. Every real number is irrational. Every real number, सारे रियल नंबर क्या इरेशनल हो सकते हैं? Is an irrational number? Yes or no? जितने भी रियल नंबर है वो सारे रेशनल नंबर हो सकते हैं कि नहीं हो सकते? तो that is a false. Why? Because we know that every real number is not a rational number. For example, 2 is a real number but not irrational. तो हमारे पास इसका रीजन भी है क्योंकि जो 2 है वो क्या है? वो रियल नंबर है लेकिन इरेशनल नंबर नहीं. तो इस तरह से फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका खत्म हो जाता है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड. Are the square root, example number 2, are the square root all positive integers. पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स, सारे जितने भी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स है उसका स्क्वायर रूट। इरेशनल, वो क्या इरेशनल है कि नहीं है? हमें पूछा गया है कि आर द स्क्वायर रूट्स ऑफ ऑल पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स इरेशनल? जितने भी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स का स्क्वायर रूट है वो इरेशनल है? इफ नॉट, अगर नहीं है तो गिव एग्जांपल, गिव एन एग्जांपल। अगर ऐसा नहीं है तो उसका हमें एग्जांपल भी देना पड़ेगा। तो इट इज राइट और रॉन्ग? ये सारे जितने भी है स्क्वायर रूट वो सारे इरेशनल नंबर है कि नहीं है? तो इट इज नो, नो, नो। So if not, give an example. Example we have example that under root 4, अंडर रूट अगर 4 की बात करें तो उसका आंसर होता है 2, प्लस भी हो सकता है माइनस भी। 2 इज ए रेशनल नंबर, तो ये 2 है वो क्या है भाई? रेशनल नंबर है। क्या है? रेशनल नंबर। क्या है? रेशनल नंबर। सो आवर आंसर इज नो, और एग्जांपल है अंडर रूट 4 इज इक्वल टू 2। एंड नाउ example number 3rd, we have now example number 3rd, exercise 1.2. Show how root 5 can be repeated on the number line. Example number 3, root 5. In short, you have to locate root 5 and show that how can be repeated on the number line. Number line पे हम इसको कैसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं? तो फर्स्ट हमने जो थर्ड और सेकंड फोर्थ एग्जांपल सीखा उसी तरह से सबसे पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा? एक नंबर लाइन बनानी पड़ेगी। फर्स्ट टेक 1 पॉइंट एज ओरिजिन, दैट इज 0 और o। 0 उसका o नाम दे सकते हैं। अब what happen? You have to locate root 5. First you can locate, first is make a 1 centimeter line and another line of 1 centimeter like that and join them, so you can get here root 2, here root 2. Once again you have to make here right angle, here right angle and make a line like that, measurement of 1 centimeters. Once again, so what happened? You can get here root 3 like that, and once again you have to make a right angle here and make a length of 1 centimeter lines and join with o like that. So what happened? root 1 centimeter. So यहाँ आपको क्या मिलेगा? अंडर रूट 4, अंडर रूट 4. Once again you have to make here right angle and make a 1 centimeters length line. It should be make a right angle. ये सब सारे जितने भी है वो क्या होने चाहिए? राइट एंगल होने चाहिए, तभी हम पाइथागोरस का थ्योरम का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। रूट 4 एंड रूट 1. So suppose here O and here you can make another name, give here a B and C. So now in the last term OC is a hypotenuse. OC square is equal to OB square plus BC square. What happened? OB we have root 4. OB root 4. So root 4 square plus BC we have only 1. So 1 square. So what happened? 4 plus 1. So OC square is equal to 5. So OC is equal to under root 5. So OC is equal to, we get here under root 5. Now take your compass box and make a arc like that. You have to make an arc like that. Which one cuts on a number line? Which ones come on a number line? And that's you have to give name M, suppose. So M is a point which locate under root 5 on a number line. जो नंबर लाइन जो है उधर क्या करेगा वो रूट 5 बताता है। तो इस तरह से आप रूट 5 लोकेट कर सकते हो। You can do practice and more another root 6, root 7 and make a whole circle like that. So in this section, irrational numbers are very easy to locate on number lines, and what kind of irrational numbers you know that. And after that, in next lecture we are going to start our real numbers and their decimal expression. Okay, thank you.